I think for anyone who's even got half a thought that they might have a piece of land that they'd like to see if it's got any potential, or just have always been nervous of selling out to a developer and just that doesn't feel right, there's a really significant planning advantage to going down the self-build route. The appeal inspectors are giving great weight to self-build as part of the planning balance. What we're doing is working with a landowner to sell their land directly to that end user. So cutting out this developer piece in the middle, selling the land at a retail rate, so there's more value there for a landowner, and there's more value to make houses better at the other end as well. On a typical project, you probably want to allow a good year to get the planning, and then time after that to put in any infrastructure on the site. So if it needs driveways, shared landscaping, pipes, wires, that kind of thing. So you're probably starting to market plots in year 2, but you're probably not finished with a site for 2 or 3 years. We run the whole process. So we fund the whole process and we'll run the whole process. We want to make it as easy as possible for landowners. So you can feed in at the beginning of what you're interested in, what you want to do, and then we fund the planning process, we fund the infrastructure, we run the sales and marketing, and at the end of it, we split the sale of the plots at a pre-agreed rate. The beauty of the self-build model is that the people making the decisions are the people with a really long-term interest in the place. Self-builders on average stay 25 years in the house that they've built, when the national average is 6 years. There are people that run local clubs, they set up local businesses, they employ local businessmen, local small trades to build their house. And so we're really keen to make self-build genuinely affordable mainstream opportunity for people in this country. We've been doing this for a little while, and we've completed 4 projects, 3 sort of smallish projects, 3 or 4 plots at a time, and we've done a 12 plot scheme up in Norfolk, and we were really chuffed to be awarded Best Custom Self-Build Project in the UK by the MP that got the Act through Parliament for the self-build legislation. Just come and have a chat, get in touch. We'll have a look and we'll tell you what we think, and we'd love to hear from you.